Welcome to Digitize, where technology meets creativity. Dive into the world of digital innovation, tech tips, and cutting-edge trends. Let's start with a little perspective here. TikTok isn't just a platform for dancing teens and funny memes anymore. It's evolved into a global stage where millions of people are building brands, selling products, and cashing in on creative ideas. But here's the thing. With so much competition out there, how do you stand out and go viral? That's where AI comes in. First things first, you don't need to be a tech wizard or have a massive following to succeed. You just need to use the right tools and strategies. The AI tools I'm going to share with you today will help you create content that's engaging, trend-driven, and optimized for TikTok's algorithm. These tools will also save you tons of time and effort, so you can focus on growing your account and, more importantly, making money. Alright, let's talk about the first step: content creation. TikTok is a visual platform, and the quality of your videos matters a lot. You want your content to pop, to grab attention in those first 3 seconds. One of my favorite AI tools for this is Runwaymal. It's a video editing tool powered by AI, and it's perfect for creating high-quality videos. Even if you have zero editing skills, you can use it to remove backgrounds, add special effects, and even generate entirely new visuals. Imagine this: you create a stunning video with cinematic effects that look like it took hours to make, but in reality, it took you just a few minutes. That's the power of AI. Now, once you've got the visuals down, it's time to focus on what's trending. TikTok thrives on trends. Whether it's a specific sound, hashtag, or challenge, jumping on trends can skyrocket your visibility. This is where tools like TrendPop come into play. TrendPop uses AI to analyze TikTok trends in real time. It shows you which hashtags, sounds, and types of content are currently blowing up. Instead of wasting hours scrolling through your feed trying to figure out what's hot, TrendPop does all the heavy lifting for you. But let's take it a step further. AI isn't just good for finding trends, it can also help you create them. Have you heard of Digitize? It's an AI tool that can generate ideas, write scripts, and even come up with captions that are catchy and shareable. For example, let's say you're in the fitness niche. You can ask Digitize to write a 15-second script for a workout video, or come up with a list of fun and engaging fitness challenges. And boom, you've got fresh, viral-ready content in no time. So now you've got killer videos and trending ideas. What's next? Engagement. TikTok's algorithm loves engagement. The more people like, comment, and share your videos, the more the algorithm pushes your content to new audiences. And guess what? AI can help here too. There are tools like Flick and InVideo that analyze your audience's behavior and suggest the best times to post, the types of content they're most likely to engage with, and even the best ways to respond to comments to keep the conversation going. Alright, we've covered content creation, trends, and engagement. Now, let's talk about the money. Because let's be honest, that's why we're here, right? There are multiple ways to monetize your TikTok account, and AI can amplify all of them. For starters, you can use your account to promote affiliate products. If you're in the beauty niche, for example, you can partner with brands and earn commissions for every sale made through your affiliate link. AI tools like Jasper can help you craft compelling pitches to brands or even create ad copy that converts. Then there's brand deals. Companies are always on the lookout for TikTok influencers to promote their products, and they're willing to pay big bucks for it. The key is to position yourself as an influencer in your niche. This is where AI tools like Social Blade come in handy. They analyze your growth metrics and give you a professional-looking report that you can share with potential sponsors. It's like having your own personal marketing team. Another fantastic way to make money is by selling your own products or services. Whether it's a digital product, like an ebook, or a physical product like custom merch, TikTok is a great platform for driving sales. AI can help you here as well. Tools like Canva, powered by AI, make designing product visuals super easy. And if you're into dropshipping, platforms like Oberlo have AI integrations to help you find trending products to sell. Oh, and let's not forget about the TikTok Creator Fund. Once you hit 10,000 followers and meet the other criteria, you can start earning directly from TikTok for your views. It's not going to make you rich overnight, but it's a great additional income stream. The best part? All the AI tools we've talked about can help you grow your account faster, so you can qualify for the Creator Fund sooner. So what's the takeaway here? The combination of TikTok's massive audience and the power of AI tools is a game changer. Whether you're a complete newbie or someone looking to scale their existing TikTok account, these tools can give you the edge you need to go viral and start earning thousands of dollars every month. And here's the kicker: AI is only going to get better. The earlier you start leveraging these tools, the bigger your advantage will be. So, don't wait. Start experimenting, start creating, and start earning. Thanks for watching Digitize. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more digital insights.